You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Here's what experienced international movers know. The smartest strategy is rarely all or nothing. You do not have to ship everything, and you don't have to replace everything. Most families benefit from a hybrid strategy. Ship what holds long-term value, high-quality furniture, premium mattress, ergonomic office setups, artwork, and meaningful decor. Replace what's easy and logical. Low-cost furniture, outdated decor, incomplete small appliances, and items near the end of life. This selective approach reduces shipping volume and thereby directly reduces shipping costs. It also protects what matters most. Hybrid planning affects the shipping method too. Instead of a full, dedicated container, shipments may move via Consolidated sea freight or Selective air freight for essentials. This approach offers flexibility and costs control without sacrificing comfort. And it also removes pressure. You're not making an emotional sell everything decision. You're making a strategic, logistical decision. That shift dramatically reduces regret. If you're planning an international move and you want a tailored strategy that fits your timeline and your budget, check us out online or give us a call. Let's build your next home intelligently without regret.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.